You know, I've always been interested in science, so I can't pin it down to any one thing. But I've always been, since I was a little kid, interested in how things work. Like what makes things happen. How come the moon looks different all the time, and so on.
Well, my favorite part about this class is probably not making stuff, but not making the actual project, but just doing all the content that's around it.
I've been teaching almost 20 years, but I've only been teaching science for about 15 years.
We've been making bioplastics, and right now we're creating a bioplastic that will have the kind of same form as a bowl, or can have the same properties as a bowl.
You know, I'm really excited about our plastics projects because the kids are learning not only how to invent a recipe for making plastic, but also a process for making the right properties of plastic that they're looking for. So they've experimented with drying it in the microwave and cooking it and drying it in the classroom. And today they're going to evaluate their results and see if they can improve their recipe.
So some people made it out of cornstarch. So you need a starch to make the bioplastic we're making. So some people used cornstarch as that starch, and others used agar, and they're both corn products.
I encourage them to experiment and investigate and see if they can come up with some explanations or answers that are based on the evidence from what they see and observe, and kind of really think about what they're seeing.
I like science because it's the answers to everything and no one can ever tell you wrong.
I like science because you get to mix things together.
I like science because it can be creative.
I like science because I like making cool and